it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the orange blossom. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Gin, I have here from St. George, orange juice, and sweet vermouth, 3 items. It's still time, let's go grab them. Ice, a martini glass, a shaker, and a jigger. First step, what we're going to do is chill our glass. We're going to do that by adding ice and water. Set the glass aside. Now grab your shaker, pour 1 ounce of orange juice into the shaker. Next is a sweet vermouth. Pour 1 ounce of sweet vermouth into the shaker. And the last ingredient is gin. Pour 1 ounce of gin into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid. Oh, close the lid and give your drink a nice shake. Grab your glass and empty the ice and water. And the last step is to pour your drink into the glass. And there you go, my friends, the orange blossom. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.